In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly manage your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Throughout this walkthrough, you'll learn how to set up external website displays on your Wix site, adding a new level of interactivity and functionality. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, we're going to start by heading over to your Wix account. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that first. Once logged in, find and click the link that directs you to the setup section of manage.wix.com. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the basic configuration tools you need for managing your website efficiently. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection during this process to avoid any interruptions. Next, we'll move on to the editor section at editor.wix.com. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the specific area in your template that you'd like to highlight. This allows you to pinpoint exactly where you want to add features or make changes, ensuring your design remains consistent and professional. Once you've done that, the next step involves embedding code into your website. You'll want to locate the embed code option and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of integrating external content into your site. Embedding code allows for dynamic content integration, providing your visitors with a richer experience. Following the embed code button, there will be an option to display an external website in a window on your site. Select this option as it enables you to feature another web page directly onto your site without necessitating a redirection. It's a particularly handy feature if you want to display content like calendars, social media feeds, or other interactive tools that enhance user engagement. When prompted, you'll need to type in the URL of the external site you wish to showcase. Be sure to enter the complete and correct web address, as this will ensure the displayed content functions as intended. After entering the URL, click on Apply. This action will finalize the link between your site and the external content, making sure it's effectively embedded and ready for public viewing. Next, you might see a small window or dialog box indicating the operation's success. At this point, you can click on the X to close this window. This simple step helps you confirm that the process is complete and prepares you to save your work. Finally, remember to save all your changes by clicking the Save button, usually located at the top right of your screen. By saving your updates, you ensure that all the adjustments made during this process are secured and applied to your live website. With these steps, you'll have successfully integrated and published external content to your Wix site. It adds a unique touch and keeps your website fresh and appealing, inviting more interaction from your visitors. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to explore more guides for additional assistance.